tell me where Medicare is paying the bills. You probably get a check from Medicare. Medicare is paid by bills. These are the people that are involved in workers' comp and no fault, because I go through the comp workers' file, I record that in my system, which is another enhancement. Are you recording that information somewhere in the system that this is a workers' compensation loss? Are you tracking all of the treatment that's related to this date of injury, as opposed to having individual services? Because my side of the industry only sees one claim, the date of injury, and all the treatment that falls under it. You see claim, 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 and unless you start talking the same language, it's never gonna match. So what are you doing to take that treatment that's happening in different periods of time in your hospital and merging it with that date of loss, so you can make sure that you get proper